Hi guys, just a quick video on how my new setup now is for YouTube. So here we have the Olivia with the camera attached at the top. I've just turned this to video mode and start recording. I've put it to the height so it's on my desk and it's giving me enough room to work underneath. So I just press record and off I go, and that's it. I'm filming this currently on my iPad, which is how I used to film before. So as you can see, I've got plenty of space underneath. I can film from overhead. I'm using the natural light that's currently coming in through the window on my left. But if you want, you can add the lights on if that is needed. I didn't need to, however, and as you can see in my other video, the lights are just at the bottom. So if I did put it on, you could see there was a shadow there. But as I say, I didn't really need it. I've got a big window on the left-hand side, so I didn't bother with the lights. But if you do, you can see that the lights do change in depth depending on what button, how much you press them. So really, that's my new setup going forward. For a beginner, it's ideal. No wires, no cables, no tripods. Just basically my desk, the stand, and my camera. And then what I'll do is I'll just film it all in iMovie and upload it. And that's it. And it it's quite easy to pack away. I just put it underneath here, out of sight, and that's it. So thanks for watching. Watch my other videos if you're interested. Thanks.